Alright guys, I've got a noise that I've had since I've had the car. I wasn't sure if it was common or not, so I brought it to my friend who also has a Z31. He said it wasn't common, so maybe you guys can help me diagnose it. So it sounds like it's like some sort of a compressor. You can hear it up front near the headlight over here. Sounds like it's coming from this area here. And then if you go underneath the car, you'll see that there's this little thing sticking out right here, and I can feel air coming out of that. When I take my hand off, you can hear the difference in sound too. I have no idea what it is. If you do, let me know. Thanks guys.